So, this is lecture 30 and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the slotted aloha. In previous lecture we have discussed about this pure aloha. Now, if I talk about this slotted aloha, so important points regarding this slotted aloha, that in this slotted aloha, time is divided into equal time slots. That is the main important point. Time is divided into equal time slots. And that this time slot is greater than the length of the packet duration. So, of length greater than the packet duration. So, जो भी हम लेंथ ले रहे हैं, जो स्लॉट्स हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं इक्वल लेंथ का, उसकी जो ड्यूरेशन होनी चाहिए वो पैकेट ड्यूरेशन से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट, इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट in this slotted aloha, that is this: each subscriber synchronized with clock and transmit a message only at the beginning of a new time slot. So, जो भी सब्सक्राइबर हैं वो सारे के सारे क्या है, एक क्लॉक से सिंक्रोनाइज हैं, और जब भी वो मैसेज ट्रांसमिट करेंगे वो जब हमारा नया टाइम स्लॉट होगा, ओके, वो हमेशा नए टाइम स्लॉट्स के इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द न्यू टाइम स्लॉट्स दे कैन ट्रांसमिट. Okay, and that's why if I talk about the resulting in a discrete distribution of packets. Okay, so जो partially जो हमारा प्योर अलोहा में क्या होता था, partially जो हमारा कोलिजन होता था, ओके, ओवरलैपिंग होती थी, वो हमारी यहाँ पे नहीं होती है. सो यू कैन सी ओवर हेयर इन दिस फिगर that in this figure you can see each station is transmitting different frame, and the slots is divided in equal length, equal time slot. Okay, so this frame 1.1 is transmitting in this slot, frame 2.1 in this slot, in this way. So you can see there is no partial overlapping, only this frame 1.2 3.1 is collapsing or collision is going in slot 3, same in slot 6 3.2 and 4.2 is collision over here, but they are the collision is not partially, okay, full frame is colliding over here. Okay, now this basically this thing is prevent partially collision where one packet collides with the portion of the another. Now, as the number of users increases, okay, greater a delay will occur due to this complete collision, and for this resulting repeated transmission of those packet originally lost. Okay, and the number of slots, so जो next important point है that the number of slots which are transmitter weights prior to retransmitting also determine the delay characteristics of the traffic. So, that is also included in the traffic. ओके जिस टाइम पीरियड के लिए, जितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए हमारा जो ट्रांसमीटर वेट कर रहा है, ओके वो हमारा ट्रैफिक में भी ऐड होता है. नाउ if I talk about this vulnerable period, so the vulnerable period for slotted ALOA is only one packet duration, since partial collision are prevented through synchronization. So क्योंकि हमारा जो ओवरलैपिंग हो रही है वो पूरी फ्रेम की हो रही है, सो इट शुड वेट एटलीस्ट दैट ओनली वन packet is transmitting. Okay, so that's why they are calculating this vulnerable time is one packet duration. Now, if I talk about the throughput in the case of this slotted ALOA, that is T is R e to the power minus R. So, that is the throughput of the slotted ALOA.